Hello, my name is Artur Tuttar and I'm an alumnus of the Actuarial and Financial Engineering program. I'm working as a pricing actuary at Gjensidige and as an actuarial science research specialist at the Institute of Mathematics and Statistics here in Tartu. Let's talk a little bit about the program. The Actuarial and Financial Engineering is a 2-year master program which provides knowledge of classical and modern financial and insurance mathematical methods. It follows the guidelines specified in the educational syllabus of the International Actuarial Association. This program prepares specialists for the financial sector, banking, and insurance industries in quantitative methods for risk assessment and hedging, providing knowledge and skills in 2 major areas, financial engineering and insurance mathematics. This course is for you if you have already studied mathematics or statistics and are interested in how mathematics can be used in finance. Our graduates have found jobs in banking sectors, insurance companies, and information technology companies. Your studies here in the Actuarial and Financial Engineering program comprises of 120 credits split into 3 modules. Firstly, the preparatory module, worth 27 credits. This gives you the foundation of probability theory and statistics. You learn how to apply the most common generalized linear models and develop skills for analyzing time series data. The second module, so-called the specialty module, is also worth 27 credits. It is the core of the curriculum, which provides profound financial and actuarial mathematical knowledge. For example, here you gain skills to perform actuarial calculations related to premiums or reserves, learn about the main principles of option pricing and their hedging, and gain knowledge of quantitative methods for assessing and measuring financial risks. The third module is the elective module. This is where you make the program your own. You choose the courses that benefit your studies and interest the most. For example, you can pick a subject from computer or data science courses or focus on the economics field. In addition to your studies, you are also required to gain practical experience with our various partners. With that, you gain first-hand work experience and really put your theoretical knowledge into practice. For example, I did my practical experience at If P&C Insurance. There I applied my theoretical knowledge of machine learning methods to discover deep interactions within insurance data. Additionally, I implemented my proposed methods to solve business cases. With my practice, I gained invaluable insight into how an insurance company operates and how pricing of insurance is done. This practice also gave me opportunities for future work at that company. In the end of your studies, you finish with the 30 credits worth of master thesis, where you demonstrate your acquired knowledge in formulating scientific problems and select suitable theoretical methods for your analysis and implementation. In my master thesis, I researched how machine learning algorithms can be applied to the actuarial sector. I chose this topic through my practice experience because I was interested in how machine learning could be interpreted, which is crucial for such a regulated sector as insurance sector. Thanks to this thesis, I was also awarded the Albert Purleritz Young Statistician of the Year award. The studies take place at the University of Tartu Delta Center, in the heart of Tartu. Opened in 2020, the Delta Center comprises of academic, research, and entrepreneurship buildings, and brings together more than 3,000 students, lecturers, researchers, and company employees. In addition to our institute, the Institute of Mathematics and Statistics, the academic and research buildings also accommodates the Institute of Computer Science, the Faculty of Economics and Business Administration, and the Center for Entrepreneurship and Innovation. Additionally, some labs from the Institute of Technology are also there. The teaching staff consists of professors highly qualified in financial mathematics who have also done extensive research and have international experience. Visiting international lectures will also deliver some of the courses for the program. The technical staff are professional and helpful, always providing more than sufficient information about courses, study process, and everyday life in Tartu. After graduation, you are prepared to succeed in careers at banks, insurance companies, consulting, financial utilities, and financial supervisory authorities. Here in the slide, you can see just a short list of different jobs our graduates have held. It is also possible to continue your studies in doctoral studies here in Tartu or at any other university. Thank you for watching. I hope this gives you a clearer picture of the exciting opportunities awaiting you in the Actuarial and Financial Engineering program. Best of luck with your application, and I hope to see you in Tartu next autumn.